Yeah. So nice. Let's check. Oh, beautiful. This is cotton. How much? How much?
600 म्हणजे 600 ना?
Okay. How much they said? 600.
प्लीज 30 का साइज नहीं है आपके पास? 30 का साइज नहीं है आपके पास?
There is you want to see inside? Let's go inside. Let's look. They're very beautiful. How much?
कितने? 1500. 1500. 1500.
1,500.
Which one?
Wow.
1500. 1500.
1500. This one also.
अरे भाई इतना महंगा क्यों है?
Set out.
डिस्काउंट का प्राइस नहीं है।
How much?
I don't know.
How much?
600.
Wow.
कम हो जाएगा डिस्काउंट हो जाएगा
Very beautiful.
इसका मीडियम है।
Check this.
आप किसका है उसका बताओ।
मीडियम में
भैया मिरर है कहीं?
No mirror.
फ्रंट कैमरा दिखाओ ना।
Okay. So nice.
Help me shop afterwards.
We see this one down is 150. There's more. 100. See, there's a lot. Oh, I love that. Very here, go the inside. Where is the inside? This one. Here, come baby. We will go.
तो हम लोगों ने हड़बड़ नहीं करे गड़बड़ नहीं करे बोले अपन एकदम
Ah, the entrance is here. Ah, you want to try? This is royal. Yeah, where is the other one?
इस तरफ ये वाला पेन प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं दिखता
कौन सा ये वाला
बनी हुई है ना
पक्का
ये भी बेचना है वो भी बेचना है ये अच्छा होगा ये बताओ नीचे देखो
इधर तो काम में मोटिवेट
पहले सीरियसली अच्छा लगा
How much?
दोनों निकाल के पहन के देखो आप
How much like?
This one is 550 I will give you discount
I bought here before 250.
no this one is not 250 this one is 200 flat so this one is professional item एक इस तरफ पहनो एक इस तरफ पहनो दोनों के लगे दोनों निकाल लो राइट में इसको आराम से निर्माण नहीं सूट लेने जाएंगे आपके सूट ले रहेंगे दोनों अभी हमारे घंटा बजा घंटा गया रखा दिया 2 घंटे रमजान में 3 रात हो गई मेरी
What is this one? Is nice.
Yeah, this one is nice.
शुरू वाली रात का भी तो था फर्स्ट वर्जन
Just work first.
दिस वन
450. We're buying 3 or we're buying 2. Huh? 450. Huh? How much like this?
550 this is your size and last piece
भैया कितने का दोगे
650 you want to try
Not expensive.
not expensive single piece निकालो पहले कौन सा चाहिए
You can go.
all piece sold this one is last piece I will give you this one is also This is not velvet. This is suede material.
Ayan.
Suede
Yeah,
material,
suede.
washable material. And this is anti-skid suede, rubber sole. यदि मेट्रो फीचर्स में एकदम रबर सोल आता है, स्लिप नहीं होता वो, आवाज वगैरह नहीं करेगा, अच्छा है। डिस्काउंट करके लगा देंगे, लगा दो शाहरुख भाई, कम करके 550 कर दिया यार।
How much right? This one?
आप बता दो फिर,
It's all the same.
अब बता दो, आप बेहतर लगेगा दे देंगे। Try this.
Also. Wow, it's so beautiful. It's so beautiful.
Looks nice.
For wedding.
Yes.
This one also. Hairs, hair and इसका फिर वॉल्यूम जो ऊपर का है ना, थोड़ी है। मैडम को कहो ना वो साइड, मैडम को रखना होगा। आज मेला तो ये महीने में थोड़ी लगाने हैं, जल्दी बताओ, 3 दिन का मेला करके लेके जाएंगे। अच्छा
Nice, nice. This is actually the one I bought from the other day. So I'm going to show you what we bought on that street shopping. There are very nice fabric there and very cheap also here at Pune. Okay. Oh yeah, this is for my daughter. I'm not going to open it. Yeah, this is a set for her. This is all kurta sets for her office. Yeah, for office work. I think this is for wedding activities like that. She might wear it, and this is the one I bought actually for me. So this is a t-shirt actually, and I love the t-shirts here. This is only 250. Yeah, you can see 250, and I'm going to wear this with jeans if I go outside. And look at the back side and your jean. It is cotton, but it's so beautiful fabric. The fabric is good. And another one I bought for me. I love t-shirts actually, and very comfortable to wear, and I like the larger size. Yes, we have so much potential. Exactly. Every person has own potential. Yes, so you see it's printed. Mickey Mouse, you know the cartoon. The children loves watching the cartoons. Mickey Mouse. Oh yeah. And another short. I bought two shorts actually, but the other one I washed it and I wore it already. and it's so nice. Yeah, these are only the clothes I bought for myself, and another one because I don't have heels, so I bought these heels. It's 2 inches only. Yes, it is light pink or mauve color, and because I have a quarter set that is mauve color, my size is 7, so it's so soft. Oh, so nice. DC Collection brand, so it's not a branded shoes, but I can wear it for 1 year or 2 years. Yeah, very comfortable. I can wear with a stocking, wear dress. Yeah, wow, so nice. I think the same color of the motifs is synthetic. Yes. Size 7, it's so lovely, it's so nice. I just love it. Hmm. And another one, my daughter bought for me earrings because I love big earrings, large earrings. Yes. So, I can wear this with green saris or casual look with dress, long dress. It's so nice. My daughter knows that I love wearing long earrings, large earrings. See that? I don't know how much she bought this for me, but she said this is a gift for me from her. Yes. So these are all the things I bought from street shopping, and yeah, I'm not going to open that for my daughter. Maybe she will open this for her YouTube. Thank you for watching. And these are all 250 each. Nice fabric and nice design printed. This one is only 100 cotton. And actually this heels is for 400 rupees only. So this is the earring she bought for me. Hmm. Wow, it's huge. I think it looks nice with long dress and heels. What do you think, guys?